The Stainless Power 1 7/8 inch catted long tube headers with Performance Connect are a great upgrade for 2015 and newer Mustang GT and Dark Horse owners looking to maximize horsepower and torque. These headers are designed for better exhaust flow, reducing restrictions compared to the stock manifolds, making them perfect for enthusiasts who want to improve throttle response and overall engine efficiency. If you're looking for more power, an aggressive exhaust note, and improved performance across a range of RPMs, then these long tube headers are a solid option. The Stainless Power long tube headers are built to enhance exhaust scavenging, helping your engine breathe better and ultimately deliver more horsepower and torque. The 1 7/8 inch primary tube provides improved flow, making them an excellent choice for high performance applications, whether it's naturally aspirated or a forced induction setup. This set includes high flow catalytic converters designed to reduce emissions while maintaining performance gains. Unlike the restrictive stock cats, these high flow versions allow for better exhaust flow, helping maintain power while keeping your Mustang street legal in most areas. With the Performance Connect design, these headers are meant to work specifically with stainless steel catback 3-inch exhaust kits, ensuring a perfect fit and a leak-free seal. The optimized design helps to improve mid-range and top-end power, making these headers an excellent choice for a track-ready build or aggressive street setup. These headers are going to be built from high-quality 304 stainless steel right here in the USA. These headers are durable, corrosion-resistant, and built to last. The mandrel bent tubing ensures smooth, unrestricted flow, while the precision welds and the thick flanges help prevent leaks and warping over time. This construction means you get reliable performance and longevity even under harsh driving conditions. As far as pricing goes for this setup, it's coming in at around that $1,500 price range. This is a premium made product in the USA, so it does command a premium price. But that's actually a pretty reasonable price tag for the performance gains and the stronger exhaust note that this is going to give your car, and the fact that it's made in the USA with high quality 304 stainless steel. Alright, now the install on these is going to require some moderate mechanical expertise, as the headers involve removing the stock exhaust manifolds and connecting the new ones to the factory system. You can expect to spend 4 hours or a little bit longer on this install, so we're giving this a really solid 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Once they're installed, a custom tune might be a good idea so that you can maximize performance gains and ensure proper engine calibration. Alright, well that's going to wrap up my review of the Stainless Power 1 7/8 inch catted long tube headers with Performance Connect for the 2015 and newer Mustang GT and Dark Horse. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.